Hello and welcome to Gonomics. Today I'll be showing you how to install your Backseat Monitor Mount. Please follow general practices for safety and always follow all manufacturers' safety guidelines. Your product may vary slightly from the examples shown here. It is always important to be safe when handling tools. Please wear your safety glasses and be careful when using this equipment. The Backseat Monitor Mount can only be used on seats that have a legged headrest and can only be used with monitors that are made to accommodate VESA mounts. Your monitor must not be larger than 24 inches and must be under 8 pounds. The monitor and arm must be stowed while the vehicle is in motion. First, lift the headrest. Then, with the ball facing the back seat, insert the mount bracket. Attach the mount bracket by feeding the two J-hooks through the mount slots and around the legs of the headrest. Lower the headrest down to help hold the bracket mount in place. Then tighten the screws to ensure the mount is secured to the headrest. Mount the monitor arm to the headrest bracket with the closed end of the arm facing the bracket. You may need to open the arm more to fit it around the ball mount. Squeezing the open end will help open the closed end. Attach the VESA bracket to the monitor using the provided knurled bolts, ensuring that the ball on the bracket is positioned closest to the center of the monitor. The VESA bracket must be installed with all 4 bolts for the backseat monitor mount to operate safely. If the bracket is loose and/or the bolts do not screw in completely, do not continue. Secure the VESA bracket to the monitor arm by inserting the ball into the open end of the arm and tightening. Carefully adjust and position your monitor while providing support. Then fully tighten the arm. To stow your monitor and monitor arm, remove your monitor and monitor arm. Stow in a secure location while the vehicle is moving. Thank you for choosing Gonomics for your mobile office needs. Please have a lovely day and check out our other videos and socials. Go Gonomics!